Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the top 5 must-have herb garden plants for every green thumb. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these plants are perfect for adding flavor to your meals and beauty to your garden. First up, we have basil. This fragrant herb adds a burst of flavor to your favorite Italian dishes and salads. With its vibrant green leaves and delightful aroma, basil is a must-have in any herb garden. Next on our list is mint. Known for its refreshing scent, mint is a versatile herb that can be used in numerous recipes and even as a natural home remedy. Its vigorous growth makes it an easy plant to cultivate. Moving along, we have rosemary. This evergreen herb not only smells heavenly but also adds a distinctive taste to dishes like roasted potatoes and chicken. With its woody stems and needle-like leaves, rosemary is a beautiful addition to any garden. Fourth on our list is parsley. Often considered a garnish, parsley is a nutrient-packed herb that should not be underestimated. It adds a fresh touch to your dishes and is an essential ingredient in many recipes. Last but not least, we have thyme. This herb has a pungent aroma and a unique flavor that complements various cuisines. Whether you use it in soups, stews, or marinated dishes, thyme adds depth and complexity to your cooking. And there you have it. The top 5 must-have herb garden plants for every green thumb. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply enjoy the beauty of nature, these herbs are sure to enhance your gardening experience. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!